This one line turns big O of n squared into big O of n. It's called Kadane's algorithm, and it feels like cheating. Let's say I have an array, and I want to find a subarray that has a maximum sum. If you look at this closely and try to solve it, you would find that this 4 minus 1, 2, and 1 is the maximum sum subarray, and the maximum sum is 6. How you can solve this? First solution is, of course, brute force solution, and this is not a very good solution because the time complexity is actually big O of n squared. But there's a better solution that actually can solve your problem in big O of n, and that's called Kadane's algorithm. And the time complexity of this solution is actually big O of n. It's linear, much better than this one here. Let's put the same array here to show you how Kadane's algorithm works. You're going to have two variables. One is maximum, or let's call it best. And other one is current. We'll both set them to 0 at the beginning. Now, because we have -2, we don't want to put that in current because that's smaller than 0. We have 1 here, and that is better than 0, so instead we'll put here 1, and because current is greater than best, we'll put 1 here as well. Now we have -3. If we add -3 and 1, we get -2. Because that's smaller than 0, we will put 0 here. Then we have 4. If we add 4 and current, that is 4, and that is actually greater than this one, so we will put here 4. Here we have -1. If we add -1 and this current, we'll have 3, and that is greater than 0, so we will stick with 3. But that is smaller than best's 4, so we won't replace best. But now we are at 2, and when we add 3 and 2, we have 5, which is actually greater than this best 4. So we'll put here 5. Then we have 1. Repeat the same procedure. We have here 6, then 6 here. -5, this is 1, not smaller than 0, so we stick with 1, but we don't replace the best. And when we add 4, we have here 5, but 5 is not greater than 6. And as you can see, in only one iteration, we have found the solution. The best equals 6, and this is the subarray. Let's see how that code looks like. Maximum sum subarray problem is actually LeetCode problem 53 if you want to solve it. So what we are going to do here is we'll put current and best to be the same, and we want them to be equal to the first position of these numbers. And we want to start iterating from second. So here I will write for I in numbers, but start from second position and go until the end. And then we will check. If current is smaller than 0, then we want our current to be actually I. Else, if current is greater than 0, then we want to add on this current, our I. And if current is greater than the best, then I want my best to become the current. And when all these iterations are done, I simply want to return the best. Let's submit the code and see how we've done it. As you can see, we solved it in 19 milliseconds. And also, we beat 96% of people, which is great. If this video helped, you have to watch this playlist next. It will level up your problem solving fast, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials.